Do you know how to use your body language to make women notice and feel attraction for you? In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple techniques that will help you get the girl of your dreams. A lot of guys don't realize the power that they have when it comes to their body language, but with just a few small changes, you can be turning heads left and right. So, sit back, relax, and let me show you how it's done, because I'm about to teach you something that can change your life. The first thing you must learn is to recognize how you carry yourself, as this is the most crucial aspect of body language. Start paying attention to your body language all the time. Make it a habit. Everything from the way you sit to how fast and precise your movements are matters. Women are better than men at reading and interpreting subtle communication, so make sure everything you do is on point. Making small changes in your body language can make a big difference in the way women perceive and respond to you. So how do you do that? The key is to align yourself so that every part of your body is completely congruent with one another. When standing, keep your feet a little bit more than shoulder width apart. Make sure to balance your weight firmly across the entire length of your feet. Now, put your shoulders back and lift your chest up towards the sky. Put your chin up, and with each hand, touch your thumb to your forefinger to align the muscles in your arms. Doing this forces you into centered position and causes positive sexual energy to flow throughout your body. And believe me, women will take notice. You can use the same technique of aligning yourself when you're sitting down, leaning up against a wall, or walking down the street. Alright, time to do your homework. Watch an episode in the series called Suits and take note of Gabriel Macht's character. Analyze how he stands, sits, and walks. Every detail from his body language is congruent. As you walk around today, act as if you are him. I know this sounds absurd, but trust me. Keep yourself focused and aligned. Observe the reactions you get from women and everyone else around you. I think you'll be surprised at how much difference it makes. Now, the next technique I'm going to teach you is a secret that not many people know about. You can improve your body language by doing this one thing. Even if you don't do anything else, doing this will have a big impact on how women see you, and this is to lead from your hips when you walk. Most men lead with their chest or head, but when you lead from your hips, it sends a subtle message of sexual awareness that women are biologically programmed to respond to. This is because leading with your hips creates a space between your pelvis and chest, which makes your body appear more open and inviting. Practice doing it by imagining there's an invisible thread attached to your belt, pulling you forward as you walk. Do it until it becomes second nature. Now, here's another goldmine move that is simple to learn and will immediately improve your body language. I guarantee it will make a dramatic difference in the way women perceive you. The next time you are around a group of people, make a conscious effort to lift your chest. Do this by slightly arching your back and pushing your shoulders slightly back. If you do it right, you should feel a very pleasant stretch in your lower back muscles. This is the key. Make sure you feel the stretch. When you do it, it forces your body into a powerfully masculine position. It's a secret used by stage actors to make their voices fill up the theater, and it works just as well for body language. When you make this small change in your posture, you will have an enormous impact on the way women perceive you. The next technique is one of the most important things when trying to make a girl like you, and that is to avoid leaning in physically. Doing this can make you come across as desperate and wanting her approval rather than being confident in yourself. Instead, try leaning back slightly and let her come to you. Now let's say you see a girl from your class in the mall, so you decide to approach her using the techniques I've shown you so far. Keep in mind that your body language is key when you're talking to a woman. The way you position yourself says a lot about who's doing the pursuing. If you turn towards her while she's facing away from you, it looks like you're the one trying to catch her attention. But if you approach without facing her head-on and let her arrange herself so she's turning towards you, it sends all the right signals from the start. Now, the last technique I'm going to teach you can make all the difference in the world, whether she'd just see you as a friend or a potential lover. If you want to make a woman feel sexually attracted to you, it's important to show that you're aware of your own body and how you're using it. One way to do this is by briefly touching your chest or neck while you're talking to her. This sends the message that you're comfortable with your own masculinity and that you know how to use it. Another way to let a woman know that you're in a dominant position is to make sure your movements are purposeful. Eliminate any fidgeting or nervous tics and instead focus on making strong eye contact. These small gestures will let her know that you know exactly what you're doing, and that's sure to turn her on. So there you have it. Simple but effective techniques to use body language to make any woman feel sexually attracted to you. Just remember to recognize how you carry yourself. If you can do that, you'll be sure to turn her on in no time.